All right, we're going to be looking at modeling with linear functions. So these are going to be some word problems. I'm going to kind of walk through this first example, take my time with it, then I'll kind of go through a couple more examples on a second video here. So this one says the graph shows the remaining balance Y on a car loan after making X monthly payments. I'm going to be asking you to write the equation of the line. I'm going to be asking you to interpret the slope in the y-intercept. And then finally, I'm asking what is the remaining balance after 36 payments. So we have 3 questions that are being asked within that graph. We have to use that graph to find our information. First of all, we need to write an equation of the line. Now, if you recall from last week, we need 2 things to write the equation of a line. We need slope and we need y-intercept. Well, let's take a look at our graph. We have our y-intercept actually. We have the point 0, 18. That point right there, that value 18 is your y-intercept, it's B. All right, so we have that, that's great. Now, slope-wise, because of the scales of the x and y's, we can't just count rise over run. We can't do that, so we actually have to use the slope formula. So to bring that back from last week as well. So let's check that out. Slope formula, if you recall, is this. We plug it in. I'm going to go with the y, so I'm going to go 18 minus 15. That means I have to go 0 minus 10. That gives me positive 3 over negative 10. That slope cannot be reduced, so my slope of this line is negative 3/10. And that should make sense. We see the line going down, so it should be a negative slope. So that should make sense again. We take those 2 pieces, write the equation of the line. There's part A. Now I need to interpret what the slope and y-intercept mean. So start with the slope. We're going down 3 and right 10 with the slope. That's the way it's written right now. So we're going down 3. So when we're losing, remember, this is also in thousands of dollars. So when we lose $3,000 in our balance, we lose it over 10 payments. So our answer there, our interpretation is going to be something like this. For every 10 payments, the balance goes down $3,000. So we have that. Now, these will be given to you in multiple choice form in the Big Ideas book, which is nice. What does that y-intercept mean? Well, you made 0 payments and your car is 18. Well, it's in thousands of dollars, so it's $18,000. So in other words, your y-intercept, you bought your car for $18,000. That's all that's saying. Before you made any payments, you buy your car for 18 grand. And then finally, we have what is your remaining balance after 36 payments? Well, take 36 and plug it in for X and go ahead and figure that out. You will end up with a decimal answer, which is okay. We'll just need to convert that. I remember we need to convert it in terms of thousands here. So negative 3/10 times 36 gets you negative 10.8. We're adding 18 to it, which comes out to be 7.2. Now, that's thousands of dollars. So in terms of thousands of dollars, after 36 payments, you will have $7,200, $7,200 left in your payment or left in your balance. And that's what we're looking at here. Mostly just writing the equation and interpreting the slope and or y-intercept.